name is Byron Alfaro. I'm currently enrolled in the structural engineering class. It's a summer program, it's 3 weeks long. You get to go experience college life. And I have never done anything like these camp stuff, I've never done anything like this before. And basically what we're learning is just kind of like the basics of what structural engineering has to offer. I already had the plan to follow through with civil engineering. So structural engineering was like the closest they had to offer because structural falls under like the civil umbrella. So I would definitely be learning something that has to do with the major that I want to follow through with, and it would look probably pretty good on the resume. I mean, to me it means a lot because I'm a first generation, so like none of my parents went to college. So to be able to experience this and to be able to talk to so many resources about like the college life, the application process, and anything that has to do with college, honestly, I think it's a really big privilege that I have because in my house, I don't really have like too many people to talk to about this. At school, obviously I do, but being here, like actually here at a college is a really big privilege that honestly I want to take advantage of to the most of my extent.
Hi, my name is Noah Santillan. I'm taking the Health Aging Crash Course. Originally, I didn't know too much about the medical program. I mean, everything's thrown in your face, especially in California. Looking at everything along the lines of the Scripps Medical Facility, as well as the medical campus that they created, the one that really stood on top was UCSD. I came in here with a lot of confidence. Stepping in here, it's only clarified what I really want to do. Being able to do research on my own, being involved with the campus, so being able to have these instructors, they've been a very big help to me, especially in the ways of wanting to learn about what I want to do. And I think it saved me about a year or two worth of trouble. That's what I was able to take away.
I'm Gustavo, nice to meet you. And I'm from Brazil, originally from São Paulo. I firstly noticed this program because I'm thinking about doing college here in the United States because I've always been more interested in engineering. We just finished a group project where we built bridges, and actually our bridges passed our teachers' expectations, so much so that we had to run out of our classes to get more rocks outside to put more load. So we visited 2 shake tables. We went inside of the shake table to learn about all of the indoor structure, how it works, and about the hydraulic pressure. I would say that the best thing I learned in class was about working in groups. I thought that was the best part about the core program. We created great bonds, and the bonds I made here probably for life.
My name is Abdulaziz. I'm an instructor for the UCSD Academic Connection program, and I'm teaching the Introductory to Structural Engineering class. I believe that the UCSD Academic Connection program is unique because first of all, it's an unparalleled opportunity due to the fact that they have like a broad range of academic courses. And secondly, they have the chance to live and experience the life of a college student in one of the top universities in the world, like UCSD. One of the students told me that now they actually pay more attention of some of the structural members in the building. So for me, it was a way of saying that the goal of this class was actually reached.